Join me as I dive deep into the world of finance to figure out if all these financial systems are really as different as they seem. Financial systems are the backbone of any economy, and they can vary significantly from one country to another. At first glance, it's easy to assume that these systems are vastly different, with each country having its own unique approach to managing money, banking, and trade. But are these differences as pronounced as we think? One common misconception is that financial systems are completely isolated from one another, with each country operating in a financial vacuum. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that financial systems are interconnected, and what's happening in one country can have a ripple effect on others. Understanding these systems is crucial for grasping global economics, as it can help us make sense of economic trends and patterns. Another misconception is that financial systems are solely determined by a country's government or central bank. While these institutions do play a significant role, there are many other factors at play, such as technological advancements, cultural attitudes towards money, and global economic conditions. By exploring these factors, we can gain a deeper understanding of how financial systems operate and how they impact our daily lives. The components of financial systems are varied and complex, encompassing everything from banking and currency to regulation and financial markets. On the surface, these components may seem like they're unique to each country, but scratch the surface, and you'll find that there are many similarities. For example, most countries have a central bank that regulates the money supply, and many use similar financial instruments, such as bonds and stocks. Despite these similarities, there are also some notable differences between financial systems. For instance, some countries use a more decentralized approach to banking, while others rely heavily on state-owned banks. Additionally, the regulatory frameworks governing financial systems can vary significantly, with some countries taking a more hands-off approach and others being more prescriptive. One key insight that's often overlooked is the interconnectedness of financial systems. In today's globalized economy, what's happening in one country can quickly spread to others. This interconnectedness has led to a surprising commonality among financial systems. They're all ultimately driven by the same fundamental principles, such as the pursuit of economic growth, stability, and prosperity. These fundamental principles are what shape the behavior of financial systems, regardless of their specific characteristics. By recognizing these commonalities, we can better understand how financial systems operate and how they impact our lives. This, in turn, can help us make more informed decisions about our own financial lives and stay ahead of the curve when it comes to economic trends. In conclusion, while financial systems may appear to be vastly different at first glance, they share many fundamental principles that drive their behavior. By recognizing these commonalities, we can gain a deeper understanding of global economics and make more informed decisions about our own financial lives. So, what do you think? Do financial systems really stand apart from each other, or are they more similar than we think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other video on economic trends to stay ahead of the curve.